Hey, Current Electrical Inc. It's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things I found on your website that you can easily fix so you can start bringing in more business. You're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are so busy running their company that they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them even more business. So I started making these videos and giving them away for free, and some folks call me back after watching this, and some just do this stuff themselves. Whatever you would like to do is okay with me. It's just free information that will help you rank on Google if you follow these tips. So the three things I'm going to talk to you about today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now I've got your website up here and it looks pretty good. It's pretty clean and crisp. The colors are really nice. It's just a simple layout, nothing over the top. We could add a bit of a bigger footer down here and maybe your contact information, again, all in one place. But otherwise, it looks really good. You've got the call us, all your contact stuff right up here, what you offer, your service areas, your about us, scheduling a service is available. That's really great. Now, what Google really cares about is your content. So it wants you to be within 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. Now I've gone ahead and copied your page here and I posted it into this word counter at wordcounter.net. And as you can see, you guys have about 278 words. Now I've also gone ahead and copied Infinite Electric, who are also in Spokane Valley, and their website has about 908 words. So they're not at that 1,500 word mark either, but they're much closer than you are. So that's definitely something you want to fix. In addition to adding more content, Google likes to see keywords in that content. And so some of those keywords can include things like Electrician, Spokane Valley, Electrician, Spokane, or even Electrician, Veradell. And you can sprinkle those things in pretty easily. So up here, you could do something like the electrician Spokane Valley loves, something like that, and then sprinkle it in within your content as well. And then with pictures and stuff like these, you can also name these keywords and Google will rank you for these as well. The next thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest, so backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, saying that you are trustworthy, but Google also has to make sure that those backlinks are trustworthy and relevant as well. So it's like a network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you will get a lot more power if you have a backlink coming from other similar pages versus a backlink coming from like Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Aris. It is a paid tool, but you don't have to use it. There are plenty of free tools out there. So I've gone ahead and posted you guys into this, and as you can see, you have 13 referring domains or backlinks or websites that are linking back to you, and Infinite Electric has about 102 referring domains that are linking back to them. So they've outnumbered you guys by a lot. And so that can easily be fixed by just doing exactly what Infinite Electric has done. So you click into their referring domains, and all of these you want to go and get your website listed on. And you can do that simply by creating a profile and registering or emailing the account owner. And sometimes you'll have to pay a monthly fee, but it's worth it when you start to get that organic traffic coming through. And what I mean by organic traffic is this: 126 people per month have been looking at Infinite Electric's website. 31 people per month have been looking at your guys's. So your organic traffic is considerably lower than theirs. Now these are real numbers, and this is something that you want to keep in mind because people don't just look up electricians for fun. So these are folks that really want an electrician and they need one. So we want your organic traffic higher. Now following these two tips with content and backlinks, you will beat out the top competition organically. And when I say organically, I mean that you're going to start to show up right here in Google. And this is exactly where you want to be. Another way is to get yourself put up here in the Google Ads, and that's just done by bidding higher for Google Ads for these keywords. Now what we really want to focus on is this Google Map Pack, and it's great because for Spokane Valley, you guys are currently listed as number 2, which is wonderful. But ideally, we'd like for you to be up here in the number 1 spot. Now how do you do that? By listing your citation in more places. And if you're wondering what a citation is, it's just your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. So if I were in your shoes, I would find all the directories that Infinite Electric are in, and I would make sure I was in those exact same directories, and then I would make sure I was in even more than that too. So if they're in 150, I'd want to be in 200, 250, maybe even 300 to really beat them out. So that's all I've got for you. I tried to keep this informative and helpful while keeping it short and to the point. So just a quick recap for you. We commented on the content of your page and how you want to boost that up from this 278 to around 1,500. In addition, you also want to sprinkle in some of those keywords, especially those buyer intent ones like Electrician, Spokane Valley. And you can do it for all your service areas, Electrician, Green Buff, Liberty Lake, etc. Because when you look into different ones, you guys don't necessarily show up in that Google Map Pack, and you don't show up organically either. And those are the places that you definitely want to be. Now, after the content, we talked about backlinks. Again, you guys have 13 referring domains in comparison to Infinite Electric, who has 102. Again, click in this, get yourself added to all those domains. If they're ranking Infinite Electric, they can rank you as well. And then finally, we want to make sure we're getting you up into this top position in the Google Map Pack, and even in the top position in the Google Map Pack for your other service areas as well. If you can do this, you can be ranked number 1 in Google, and you're going to be considered more trustworthy, and you're going to end up with more clients coming your way. Now you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, you have 2 options. You can take this information and you can knock it all out by yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time, so the sooner you can get started, the better. But if you're like some other folks that I chat with and you want this done, but you don't have a lot of time to do it yourself, just feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about your goals and come up with a plan for you. So you can call me at 406-530-7548 or shoot me a text. Thank you.